The work report will show you the work that has been completed between two dates and by whom. Press View and then select the location on the left. By default, the report will show you work that has been completed by all teams in that location today minus 1 day. You can change the date range by using the quick search on the left. That will change the dates for you. Or you can click in the date fields to display the calendar, and then you can choose your own dates. You can sort by newest to oldest or oldest to newest for both the time the work was started or the time the work was scheduled. You can also use the filters to search for work that has been completed by a specific team or for a specific checklist, or both. If you change any of the filters, then you'll need to press the magnifying glass to refresh the results in the grid below. Each header row will show you when the work was started, the time of the schedule if there was one, the name of the checklist, and the team that the work was allocated to. If you see a paperclip, it means that there is a photo attached, and you can view it by pressing on the button and then on the camera. The work for an individual checklist can be viewed by selecting its heading, or you can press Expand All to see all of the work and then Collapse All to close. Each line of work will display the name of the person that completed the work, the day and time that the work was completed, and the name of the check. If you look at this closing checklist, we can see that the work was completed after the scheduled time, and we know that it triggered an alert because we saw it earlier. If you remember, I entered completed late in the action taken, and we have the evidence here. For temperature checks, you can see if the Check It probe was used, the temperature that was recorded, and the expected temperature in brackets. You can also see if the temperature was rejected. This red thermometer means that the person taking the temperature would have pressed the retake button. In this checklist, we can see that the out of range temperature did not trigger an alert, but the amount of product wasted did. If you see a red warning triangle, it means that it triggered a check alert. This report can be exported by pressing the Export button at the top. It will be exported as a CSV file, and you can open the file from here or open the folder. So that's the work report. Now we can turn our attention to the monitoring reports.